Forbes Middle East reveals its list of the Middle East top 100 CEOs, and Abu Dhabi's IHC forms a new holding company. You're watching the Daily Brief with Forbes. I'm Ramia Faraj. Forbes Middle East has released its third annual list of the Middle East top 100 CEOs, spotlighting the business heads who are running the region's biggest and most influential homegrown companies. With 17 CEOs, the banking sector claimed the most entries, followed closely by 14 from both real estate and construction and 9 from telecommunications. View the full list on ForbesMiddleEast.com. Abu Dhabi's international holding company has formed a new holding company called 2.0 with over $27.2 billion in assets. Entities across several sectors will be transferred to 2.0, including those specializing in private equity and alternative investments, venture capital operations, asset management, financial services, and investment banking. Dubai's Dragon Oil has launched crude production in Egypt and plans to drill 7 wells there within 2 years. The initial production from the Al Wasl field will be 3,000 BPD. The field holds 95 million barrels. It's the largest discovery in the Gulf of Suez in 20 years. Iraq's oil revenue stood at $8.3 billion in December, down from $8.5 billion the previous month. Its crude exports touched 108.6 million barrels in December, with daily exports at 3.5 million BPD. Last month, the IMF said Iraq's lower oil production will reduce GDP growth in 2023 and 2024. Saudi's non-oil business activity grew in December, pushed by the manufacturing sector, which saw new orders increase at the fastest pace in 6 months. The rise in orders for non-oil business came from robust sales. The Riyadh Bank Saudi PMI remained steady at 57.5, matching November's reading. Turkey's annual inflation rate approached 65% in December, reaching a new high for 2023. The country is now on course to meet an expected peak of 70 to 75% in May. The rate reached a decades-long high of 85% in 2022 and then fell off before resuming a steady climb. In today's Forbes Real-Time Billionaires ranking, our biggest loser is Bernard Arnault. He's down $7.8 billion, now with net wealth of $192.9 billion. Our second biggest loser today is Mark Zuckerberg, down $2.7 billion, with net wealth of $122.6 billion. And our third place loser is Francois Bettencourt-Meyers. She's down $2 billion, with net wealth of $96.9 billion. And Tesla delivered a record number of EVs in Q4, beating market estimates, but it lost its spot as the top EV maker to China's BYD. Tesla delivered 495,000 EVs in Q4, while BYD delivered over 526,000. Analysts say it suggests car buyers are looking for cheaper models. I'm Ramia Faraj. This is the Daily Brief. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow.